Welcome back. In this video, we will be looking at Byju's IAS Sociology optional review and the content details, the total number of videos about the study material, mentorship, etc. So before that, you can also watch the videos of the tab and books which I have made previously. The links are provided in the description. You can watch those. And also, I apologize for the delay of this video due to some technical issues. I couldn't make and post the video. So let's see what are there in the videos and all of sociology. So first you will be receiving this kind of box. In this you will be having the SD card like this. So no physical book will be provided, only this SD card is provided. You can insert this SD card in the tab and watch the video. The tab can hold only one SD card at a time, so whenever you will have to watch the sociology video, you will have to change the SD card, and whenever you will have to watch the general studies, you will have to change the SD card. So I have already inserted it. So let's see what is there in the videos and how they are covered. So as we open, we can see, just a second, yeah, first you will be seeing this like this optional subject. As you insert the SD card and restart the tab, you will receive this icon you can see. If you click on this, you have all these small icons, and from 1 to 10, I mean like till here, the light bluish color will have paper 1, and this green color thing will have the complete paper 2, and these two you can see, this will be having the paper analysis of 2018. So let's see how they are covered. As you can see here, it is so small, but try to see, it is the introduction of sociology. So in introduction we have 3 videos which are very detailed, and we should get an idea about sociology. And then from here they'll be covering the topic wise videos, like all the videos which you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 8, they are all complete topics. Like here it is sociology the discipline, and here research methods and analysis, next sociological thinkers. They are covered exactly to the UPSC syllabus, comprehensively especially. So as I click on this sociology the discipline, you can see the subtopics: modernity in Europe, scope of sociology, comparison with other social sciences, and sociology and common sense. And here also you can see the subtopics: qualitative analysis and techniques of data collection, variable samplings, and different types of research methods. So this is the main topic, and in here you will be having the subtopics. So they have also given more focus on sociological thinkers, because it is very important in sociology optional, as we know. So they are very detailedly covered. And in paper 2 also you can see they are covered like subtopics and the main topics. Thus paper 2 is actually completely regarding, maximally it is inclined towards India, and you will have to very much link it with the current affairs, so that we can frame good answers. And these two, if we see, we'll get an idea how the sociology paper is there of UPSC, and how we should write answers, and how it is different from the general studies and all. And the Byju's will also provide the mentorship helpline for us. We can call them anytime, and we'll be given targets. And the questions itself, as we don't have any questions in prelim, the mains questions will be given in this in the middle of this lecture. Sometimes we can practice them and send to the mentors, and they'll assist, and they'll let us know what are the improvements to be made. And so that's it. The no physical books will be given. The background slides, as 1 second I'll show, like this video, modernity and social changes.
Hello friends.
Yeah.
Today we'll start with the first topic that is mentioned in.
As you can see, this sir will be explaining. His name is Sardak Pradhan sir. He'll be explaining very detailedly. And even if we have any doubts, we can call the mentorship. They are always available. They have good mentors. And as you can see here, something is there: the significant themes of industrial revolution. These background slides are all provided in the student portal. You can download there, and you will be also provided the slides for every video. All the background slides you see in all these videos, they are available on student portal. You can just go through them, and you will be also provided study material in the form of PDF in the same student portal for both paper 1 and also paper 2. So that's it. And there I'll have to mention it again: no physical book will be provided. You will be receiving the study material, which is almost a book, in the form of PDF in the student portal, and you will be provided for that paper 1 and paper 2 as well. All the slides of paper 1 and all the slides of paper 2 are available on the student portal. And if you have any queries, please post it in the comment section. I'll be answering every query about sociology and also the other general studies aspects. So please do also watch the previous videos to have an idea. And if you have any comments, please let me know. Watch the previous video of books and as well as the tab, they are provided in the description. And if it is there any query, you can please write it in the comment section. I'll answer. Thank you, and that shall it be for this. We'll be getting just the SD card, and if you insert the SD card, we have total number of 144 videos, and also some extra videos they are on YouTube. They'll be given to you privately, or they'll be sent to your mail if you have any doubts about that. All the topics in the syllabus provided will be covered. As I have syllabus here, you can see we have this is the syllabus. Exactly what is mentioned in the syllabus, that is covered here. Okay, that shall it be. Thank you for watching, and also watch the previous videos if you can. They are provided link in the description. Thank you.